Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150. We're talking about that generation here, year 2015, 16, 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the GPS is located for the navigation. Guys, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today, which fuse you need to check specifically, where to buy cheap fuses from, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste time and money. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. We'll demonstrate here on a 2016 Ford F-150, but even if you have a different year, it may work as well. You have 2 different fuse boxes, guys. One is located, the main fuse box is located under the hood of your truck. And guys, if you open that fuse box, it will look just like that one. You have different fuses, relays that could be really expensive, hard to find, overpriced. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping as well for your convenience. We'll need to go in the fuse box that's located inside your truck, okay, inside your F-150, guys, and in the foot well right here by the kick panel. That's the kick panel right here, that plastic here. You remove that cover and you're going to see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one. Those will be your cables. We have it removed so we can clearly show you, but that's the fuse box layout. Now let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. The fuse, guys, for the GPS and the navigation system that you need to check will be on the left side. By the way, check those double fuses that you have here. Those are really hard to find fuses as well. The fuse for the GPS and the navigation will be fuse number 32, that fuse right here, and we're talking about a 10M fuse. Next to the fuse you see the number, that's the one that you will need to check specifically. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing to find that fuse. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.